Yeah. This guy's working hard here.
Oh yeah.
I can tell.
Yeah. If it wasn't for the bench, he'd be asleep.
Yeah, he'd be asleep. All right.
Okay. This is one of the new businesses I was referring to. So 24 hours, 7 day a week, like a 7-Eleven or General's grocery store. They'll be selling all sorts of stuff that you expect to see in a 7-Eleven.
In a 7-Eleven.
And I've been watching this being built for the last couple of months, and now they're starting to do shop fit out. That's not far away.
Right.
This is what I was talking about. Money now being invested into the community on a bigger scale.
Right.
Really good.
Yeah, so it looks...
Right. Are you the new owner?
Oh yeah.
We're just doing a blog. We're just doing a blog. Yeah.
Oh, you're doing that?
Yeah, we're doing a little blogging.
And I live here. I live in this area. So I've been watching you build your store over the last few months. This is one of the issues in the Philippines I find disturbing, is how to look after their food, and this is what's needed.
Yeah, we will make sure we will maintain the quality of
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, you go to these, and I go to the market and I buy meat and I buy fish and I buy things. But if I come at 11 o'clock in the morning and it's been out there in the sun, I don't buy it.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not fresh anymore.
It's not fresh anymore.
By the way,
The big question is, when will you be opening up?
maybe a couple of days from now.
Yeah, I knew it was close because I've been watching these guys working.
A couple of days?
Yeah.
Start
All right.
So that'd be a week.
Yeah.
Filipino 2 days a week.
Yeah, you multiply by 10, I say.
maybe 1 week.
Yeah.
Especially with this incredibly hard-working, enthusiastic work crew here coming. I'm looking forward to you opening up.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really fantastic.
That's one of the reasons also why I decided to put out the store. Because I noticed there are a lot of foreigners living here. And they're looking for quality.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's, if I had a choice, this was what I would pick, you know.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So,
This is really recent development. I've
Right.
been watching the last 6 or so months, and it's exciting.
oh, you mean this place?
Everything.
Yeah.
We're sort of seeing. This
Right.
is like 2 weeks ago, and they actually do a really nice drink and everything here.
Right.
Yeah, that's like 2 weeks old, and you can see it's a pleasant looking place. to sit
Kalki
down.
Cafe, yeah. Yeah, that's, it wasn't here when we were here for
No.
sure, 6 months ago.
This here was being built at the same time, pretty much as here. Just opened the last couple of weeks.
There's a pharmacy
This
here,
is
right?
this is the pharmacy. So this pharmacy is, and they've got everything in there.
Yeah, it looks like they're pretty well stocked. Are they selling through the window?
They
Or?
are selling through the window, which I find a little bit annoying myself. I'm used to open door shops, being from the west, but here in the Philippines, not so.
Well,
But they are open till late at night. And,
Right.
you know, you come down here at 10 o'clock and they are open. So
they're open,
they
so,
are open.
so
it's
they,
good.
they stay open pretty much
I'm not sure.
10.
I'm not sure how open they are, but it seems to be 7 days a week, at least up till 10 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Hence probably the bars, because it comes night time.
Yeah.
But I've spoken to the owner, and they're keeping pretty much all the right meds. And if you're an expat and you've got special stuff you need to get, as long as you've got the scripts, they will get it for you.
They'll get it for you.
They'll get it for you. It's really good.
So it's more like a generic pharmacy type
Yep.
store?
Yep.
Right.
They will get it for you.
So you said this is the water supply store here?
This
or-
is our major water supply store here. I'm going to give these guys a big pat in the back. I was here in the earthquake, and when we lost power and everything else, and these guys were legends. They continued, because all the water was cut, as you know, in the earthquake.
Right.
And these guys put substations everywhere. They just moved water everywhere throughout that whole night, getting so people had water. And of course then there was a backdraft of water, so they continued it for the next day. They were working to 10, 11 o'clock to keep water up to the place during that. And
Yeah, that was in
it's
April
yeah,
22nd
yeah,
or
exactly.
something. Yeah.
So yeah, full marks to them stepping up and taking control.
Right.
Actually, the whole community was really good. They looked after each other at that time, and and this is just a business that stepped up and did the righty.
Did the right thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep.
So then you have a little typical Filipino carinderia here too.
This is the little food store I was referring to.
Right.
This is where the locals come to eat with the expats.
Locals eat.
Yeah.
Expats eat.
It's the best sign where the locals eat.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Good food. Yeah, and it's shaded, so it's
These guys do good food.
yeah. That's good.
And it's fresh every day. I 11, like the morning sessions are best, 11 to 1.
Right.
That way you're pretty much guaranteed it's fresh today. But from 6 to on,
6 to 1.
how fresh is it?
Right.
But they do really good food, good selection, price well. And when Malane and Scott live down here, it's a good sign.
Yeah. Yeah.
They do nice food here.
That's good. So you said sleep's 20.
Yeah.
And you can hire it.
And
for,
that comes with that's basically the resort.
It comes with
Yeah,
this
all
thing.
the facilities. Yeah.
If you have a gathering.
Yeah. It's really good.
That's
hoping
cool.
to run into my gardener, mate. Oh, but I do know the boss here as well. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, this grass was like only mowed a week ago. Look at it.
Yeah, it's growing out.
That's unreal.
Yeah. Yeah, when we were here, we didn't go in here. We didn't take a look at it. So you said sleep's 20.
Yeah.
And you can hire it.
And
for,
that comes with that's basically the resort.
It comes with
Yeah,
this
all
thing.
the facilities. Yeah.
If you have a gathering.
Yeah. It's really good.
That's
hoping
cool.
hoping to run into my gardener, mate. Oh, but I do know the boss here as well. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, this grass was like only mowed a week ago. Look at it.
Yeah, it's growing out.
That's unreal.
Yeah. Yeah, when we were here, we didn't go in here. We didn't take a look at it. So as a guest, you come in here and, or I mean, as a resident here, you can just rent the place. Or can outsiders also rent it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's open for business. The resort also owns quite a lot of these units along here.
Oh, okay.
Outside as well, so they've actually got externals.
Okay.
So you can actually come stay a week and actually hire a complete unit and do your own cooking. That and just come through the side entrance, which is just here.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's really good. Yeah, it's really good. Where is he? I just saw him wave to him.
Yeah, he was on the other side there.
He does a really nice job of looking after the place.
Yeah.
The water's always great. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice. Pretty big pool too.
Yeah, well, there's one here, and there's another one over there, which is a kiddies pool. Yeah, it's just very shallow water. It's a kiddies pool. I think the deepest part is just there, and it's up to here on me. So it's pretty safe.
Right.
But when you come in here, you got the facilities. There's cookers. You can cook your own barbecues and whatever.
Yeah, that's over on this side here, right?
Yeah. We've got some down there as well on that side as well.
Oh, okay.
Really good. That's a pool up there.
Oh, so
that's swimming pool. So that's sort of more for when you hire the whole room, whole hotel section there.
Right.
That section there is sort of like an exclusivity.
Yeah.
To
more private.
To the room.
Yeah, a little more private.
It's all lit up and the water's coming down. I think I sent you a photograph of that in the night.
Yes.
This is all lit up like a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
They're just installing a massage.
Yeah, I see that.
They've got the new chairs that arrived. They told me this on the weekend. So that's another service. Oh, here we are, the massage. That's another service they're bringing
Right.
into the resort.
Very interesting. Yeah, it's nice landscaping too.
Yeah, the gardener the gardener's a really nice guy. I was talking to him on the weekend here, and he was just giving me a heads up on what grows from cuttings and what they want, and this and that. Yeah, just again, it's just a reflection of the friendliness of the resort
Right.
from all the staff. I mean,
Yeah.
and that's what you need. It's really good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Plenty of parking.
Oh yeah. That was surprising too.
Yeah, the security's on. The security is present when the weekends and afternoon sessions sort of get going and that.
Right.
And
So people start coming in here in the afternoons during the week, and then on the weekends.
yep. Yeah, they handle, and they actually handle all the numbers, you know, who's coming in, who's going out. And once you've got a ticket, you can actually, leave the resort, go home, you walk around the corner, has a need, come back.
Right.
You
Yeah, you get a stamp or a ticket or something.
You get a ticket, and you're
Right.
good, and you're good to go.
All right. All right, guys. This was the second part concluded from Deca Communities. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And we'll come back to you in part 3. God bless, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.